Hello, my dear students. Now, today we are going to start our SST new chapter, that is means of transport. Now, let's start about this means of transport. So, what is the meaning of transport and why do we need this? So, let's start about this like a story. So, basically, transport is the way or the means by which people or goods are moved from one place to another place. This mean can be animals, cars, buses, coaches, trains, ships, aircraft, and so on. So the ways of transport can be through land, can be water, can be air also. So in a nutshell, we can say that transport means to move either people or things from one place to another place. Now, the vehicles we used for transporting people or goods, these are called as the means of transport. Okay. Now, these days, people also use bicycles, cars, like the personal cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes for traveling from one place to another place. But long ago, like in the ancient time, people used to use bullock carts, horse drawn, which can carriage which can actually carry a large number of people as well as large number of goods. Okay, so how did we get this bus or this trams, right? Because with times the faster means of transport were invented. Okay, like we invented cars, we invented buses, trains, aeroplanes, these we invented, and these are some examples of our modern means of transport. Okay, now let's start about what are the actual what are the basic types of transport, or what are the basic modes of the transport. So basically, um, people and goods can be transported over land, over water, and over the air also. You can see that these are the types of transport. We find that basically the transport is possible through land, air, and water. So this is why these are the called, these land transport or water transport, these different types of transportation we called as modes of transport. Okay, so these are the land transport, water transport, and air transport. Okay, this will be S. So transport will be there. I am sorry, very sorry. This will be S here. This will be S here. Transport, transport, and transport. Okay, this will be transport. Okay, okay. So next thing is let's study about the next thing. This is the land transport. So basically, what is land transport? So let's see that land transport refers to activities or physical movement of the goods or the people by land, on land. Okay, on land. So this land transport means basically, here you can see that cycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter, bus, truck, car, train, these can be our example of the land transport. But here you need to remember that this land transport can be also divided into two parts. Like some, some of us we prefer to go by train, or some of us we prefer to go by bus. Move from one place to another place. So, uh, these things like this by bus or by other vehicles, like you can see here that other vehicles like taxi, like motorcycle, like tram, bicycles or scooters, these are kind of the roadway transport. Okay, what is it? Roadway transport. Okay, so let's say what is roadway transport. Like traveling by road is the one of the easiest way of travel, and we call it the roadway transport. This road transport enables door to door delivery of the goods and materials. Often, this road transport is the only way for moving goods or people from one place to another place. Basically, from the rural place to the urban areas, or the places like desert where you cannot connect any kind of rail or any kind of water. Okay, so in India, rather than, I mean, instead of this roadway services in India, we have large network of railways also. These are the railway, and this is the railway track. This is the railway track. Okay, so these trains run on the railway lines. These are also known as railway track. Okay, and this train, this kind of train, you can see that how many compartments are there. They're very large. Okay, so that means these trains can run and carry hundreds numbers of passengers, tons of goods. Okay, those trains, those carries the passenger, we call them passenger train. And those train, those actually carry the the goods, like the malpotro. In Bengali we call it malpotro. So this we call it goods train, and in Bengali we call it malgari. Okay, so let's see what we learned today. That is the roadway transport and the rail transport. So in the roadway transport, we also get basically in India, we get various means of road transport, like we use motorcycles, buses, cars, trucks, etc. And we also use bicycles. Here you need to know that bicycles are the cheap means of transport, and these are also environment friendly because they do not pollute the environment. Bicycle are till now, I mean nowadays also, bicycle are commonly used by many people both in the cities and the villages. And buses are very common means of transport in India. They can carry many people at a time. They can connect the villages from the city to another city, and they can also connect places within the city. Okay, and many people in our city or in our town, they can travel in bus because the tickets of the bus are comparatively cheaper than the railways. Okay, next thing you need to know, that is uh, this is your activity. You can see that there are very kind of pictures are there, so many pictures are there. Like you can see these pictures. This is a picture of scooter. This is a AC taxi. This is a you know bus. This is also a caravan. So you just try to name those um, vehicles. Okay, these are a kind of your activity. um, just try it. It's not as important as your book, but yeah, you can try it as like a game you can try it. Okay, next thing is our what to say, yes, water transport. This is very important. So water transport, here you can get that water transport is one of the oldest modes of transport. Okay, oldest most of transport, you can remember this key. It also one of the cheapest modes of transport. The boats, steamers, ships are the means of water transport. Okay, we have to spend a lot of money on laying roads or rails, but in water transport, no road or no railway is needed. Okay, India has a big shipping industry that you need to know. Okay, India has a basically big shipping industry, And these ships can carry uh, numerous people and goods across the seas and ocean. Okay, this can carry numerous people and numerous goods across the seas and ocean also. They are best suited to carry heavy and bulky goods like oil, like food grains, etc. Apart from this, you need to know that about port, right? Port. You have already learned about the port cities. So, this is why I just told you that India has a big shipping industry, and there are many ports in India from where ships usually carry the goods to other countries. So we have basically yachts. We have this is a picture of yachts. We have motorboats. We have sail. We have houseboat. We have also speedboat. We have steamer. This is a boat, and this is a sailboat, and this is a ship. Okay, this is a ship. So this is very important to you that you can see that boat is available nowadays. Boat is also available for carrying people across a river. Okay, and steamer also carry a lot of passengers in the steamers. In the Ganga also you can see lot of steamer. Okay, and in a ship, and this is a ship. This is a picture of ship, and you can see this ships. This kind of ships are basically used to carry a large number of goods like oil, like food grains, or other bulky food, or other like bulky goods. Okay. So next thing you need to know, that is the air transport. Very very important, air transport. Now what is air transport? To um, in a short, we can say that key aeroplanes and helicopters are the means of the air transport. Now, air transport is the fastest means of transport. And why do we call this air transport? Because transportation, in this kind of transportation, this transportation can occur in the air. Okay, in the air, we do in the air. Like here is Delhi and here is our Kolkata. We just come by aeroplane. Okay, suppose this is Delhi and this is Kolkata, and we just come by aeroplane from Delhi in Kolkata. Not this is a this is a railway, or this is a road. Okay, we are not coming into this, but we are coming by the air. Okay, by the air transport. So this is why we call it like air, air transport. Okay, because the transportation is happening by the air. Okay, now this is the most modern mode of transport, and also very expensive. You need to know that. But here you need to know that this air transport is maybe this is the fastest mean of transport. It can carry 50 to 200 passengers at a time, and they need a very big space to take off and land. Okay, to take off and land. টেক অফ মানে হচ্ছে উপরে ওঠা, আর ল্যান্ড করা মানে হচ্ছে নিচে নামা। ওকে, so we also have helicopters, and helicopters are basically the small aircraft. It can take it can carry 5 to 6 persons at a time. And these air transport are basically most expensive means of transport, but you can go too far uh, in a very minimum টাইম। ওকে, খুব কম সময়ের মধ্যে এক জায়গা থেকে আর এক জায়গায় যাওয়া যায়। ওকে, but this is the thing. And another thing is you can go comfortably. You can go very comfortably. You can go comfortably, and the transport are very quick. No logging or no lagging are there. So very quick transport you can get. But there are some very disadvantages because these are very costly. These transport are very costly, and you need experts, you need very experts to run this, okay? And those who run the um, aeroplanes, we call them pilot, okay? We call them pilot. So this is it. Here I am wrapping up my session. Only 15 minutes or 16 minutes it will take time. So the you need to know some important lines here, like what are the transport. I mean, what is the meaning of transport, or what do you mean by transport? So basically, transport is the movement of people from one place to another place. Now another thing, you need to know what is the means of transport. Okay, so means of transport, here we have already I already told that what are the means of transport. That is the vehicles. This is the vehicles, okay? This is the vehicles this is the vehicles we use to move one place to another place, okay? And what is vehicles? So vehicle, what is the meaning of vehicle? In Bengali we call it janbahan. So vehicle is actually a machine used to move people or goods. Next thing you need to know, that is what is yacht, okay? This YACH, yacht. What is yacht? Yacht is actually a large boat with sails or a motor used for racing or a pleasure trip, okay? And next thing you need to know, what is airport, okay? Airport, very important. That is airport. Like airport is related with the air transport, okay? This is the air transport. So basically, airport is, what is airport? Airport is a place where the aircraft means either the aeroplane or the I mean the aeroplanes, these can fly, and this can land at, okay? This can fly from, okay? Like we call the stoppage of the bus, we can call this bus stand or bus stop. In the port, like what is port to us? What is port? Like mm, where a ship can um, I mean, from where the ship can carry goods to one country to another country. Similarly, we have airport. This is a place from where a aircraft can fly from and can land at, okay? So this is it for today. And from next day, I mean on the next day, we will start the next topic, that is how can we select the means of transport. This is also very important, that how can we select the means of transport, okay? Till then, you just read the whole book very well. And if you have any problem, you can let me know through your comment section. Thank you so much.